Hi, folks. This is Don Tennessen with your weekly action tip. Last week, Larry Kendall talked about finish strong in 2025 and have a business plan for 2026. We buy into that idea completely. So to take that finish strong thing to the next level, let's talk a little bit about the next 9 weeks. What we do between now and the end of the year will largely determine your ability to have transactions in January, February, and March of 2026. And what happens is, our observation is, too often realtors take a little bit too much time off. We have a little bit too much fun during that holiday season, and then we wonder why we don't have any business in January and February. Well, we have a few ideas for you about how to make the most of this holiday season, which turns out to be the very best opportunity for live flow, maybe throughout the entire year. The great Jim Rohn said this. He said, "Don't miss the assembly." Well, what does that mean? Well, during this holiday season, here is a list of suggestions along that line. Go to every single event that you're invited to, every open house, every gathering in your neighborhood, whatever that takes. Make sure you go, ask straightforward questions, get connected with people, and build those relationships. Look for community events that you can go to. Maybe there's something at the local civic auditorium, a musical performance of some kind, and you will always run into people at those kind of events that you know. You can hang out with those people, get reacquainted, and take full advantage of those Christmas and holiday opportunities. The other thing is, your kids' school or grandkids' school, there's always something going on at schools where you can meet other parents, you can recognize teachers, have little gifts and that sort of thing, improve relationships related to your children's activities. And how about this? Maybe organize a fundraising event through your database for the local food bank and get everyone in your database involved, and that gives you an opportunity to connect with those people as well. So the bottom line, let's take full advantage of the next 9 weeks and set ourselves up for success in the first quarter of 2026. That's our action tip for today. And just a reminder, Larry Kendall will be out of town next week. I'll be hosting the live presentation of the sales meeting next week, so join us for that. Take care now.